We are Anthony and me. We are converting our citroen really into an off-grid campervan. You should join us on our journey and watch as we work on it over the next few months. We have absolutely no experience, so if we can convert a van, you can do it too. If you would like updates in between videos, follow us on Instagram.
So we used a bit of cardboard that we got with the Maxxfans, and we've made a 40 by 40 template. I found the middle, we've straightened it up on the ceiling, I've put a circle in, put a mark in the ceiling to where we're going to drill a hole, and then when I get on top of the roof, I'll just line the hole up. I've seen this on another YouTube video and it's a really good idea. I'll just line that hole up, then I can draw around this, drill into the corners on the inside, which is going to be scrap, and then jigsaw on the outside, but it's probably harder than it looks. We now have a hole in the roof. Yeah, I've just Amy's idea, it was a good idea. So this is going to be scrap in the end. So I've drilled 4 holes. One's big enough for the jigsaw to fit in, 3's just pilot holes. And I've drew lines to them just to practice and see how well I stick to the line. That's pretty easy, to be fair. I think I needed earplugs. Did you hear how loud it was? That's not as hard as I thought. So I've done pretty much a straight line and the rest could have been filed off. Yeah, that's not bad. Right, so I've just drilled the 4 pilot holes. I think I could have done it better if I got it to the edges, but I didn't want to go too much over the line. So it's going to make it harder for us with the jigsaw, to be fair, to get the straight line out. But yeah, I'm going to get the jigsaw in now and then wish me luck. I'm going to really take my time. I've never done anything like this before. I've done a little practice there, ignore that line, but going through the ribs is just the same. You've just got to take your time. But yeah, I'm going to get started now. I think as long as I don't go outside of the line, should be fine. And if I'm inside, as long as it's not too much, we can file it back to make it fit. Or if we try and fit it in, there's a little bit here, a little bit there, we'll just trim it off. But I think it's just the initial cutting. I think I've done it now, like the main thing is drilling through, because I'm committed now. Yeah, let's go. Shame I haven't got any earplugs or anything because it's really, really loud.
So we now have a hole in our roof, which was quite nerve-wracking. Ant's done the first one, he's done a really good job. Now we just need to file all the rough metal.
Yeah, but we need to get rid of all this as well.
Yeah.
So we need to get the hoover on the roof. But I've done the hole just about 1 millimetre smaller, so by the time I file it back I'd rather be smaller than too big of a hole. I don't think it really matters that much. See if I went off a little bit, it's like you're waterproofing outside of the square. This is just to make sure the fan slots in, and you're going to be screwing into a frame, so it's not going to have any play. Yeah, we'll just file this down. It's too windy today as well, just blowing it everywhere. File this down, get rid of all the metal shavings, and then on to the next step. hoovered up all the swath. I might be filing extra, but the fact is it's really windy today and it's blowing it everywhere. I can't see where it's going. We'll have to wash it, but we've just got the windows installed yesterday and we're not allowed to jet wash the van. Yeah, but we're just going to see if this will fit. Now, don't get confused. You don't measure from the high edge to the high edge, which is what we were doing and we've seen some other people on videos doing. You measure from this edge here, and that's where we were getting confused with our battens because the screws didn't line up and stuff like that. So yeah, it's from this end to this end.
Dun, dun, dun. Fit?
Yeah, I'm happy with that actually.
Woo!
Really good.
First attempt. Best attempt.
Yeah, first attempt and it's done it spot on. So I'll not need to file it to make it shorter, make the gap bigger. I'll file it to smooth it off now. And we've got some spray primer. I'll just spray that on, or I'll just spray that into a little tub and dab it on because I don't want to go everywhere. And then yeah, let's get this fan installed there. Amy's just putting glue on the 3 sections of the frame. So as you can see, it's now dark and we were still trying to get the screws to line up. We've done everything else fine, which is pretty good for our first time. But then these screws, 1 minute, these screws would not line up and I didn't want to put too much pressure on here. But anyways, I used a block of wood and pressed. My dad walked around and he was pressing while I got one in. Once one was in, went to the other side, like this one on the other side, and then I was pressing down and got that one lined up, and then from there I was just using a block of wood on here because the ledge, you can't even put any pressure on it. But yeah, finally done. Don't know if I might need a bit more Citroflex on there, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'll leave that on. I'll wait till I've got the other one on. Are you happy?
Just about.
Yeah, your feet hurting.
Killing.
Amy stood on this ladder what I'm on for ages, and my knees, I haven't even got any knees left off these ribs. But yeah, finally we're going to get some food and that now. It's been a productive day, but now we know exactly what to do for the next one. So bear in mind that you might struggle a little bit getting it to line up, and you just really need to force it. Even though you feel like you might break it, you won't. It'll be fine. See you tomorrow.
This is where we are going to leave today's video, so thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button to support our channel, and if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe and the notification bell.